Great Mann restaurant in Nanya International Airport Departure Area. The Great Mann restaurant is a dining spot situated conveniently at the departure area of Terminal 3 in AIA, Burgi 197 in Passay. It offers a variety of service options, including dine-in and takeout, catering to travelers looking for a quick bite or a casual dining experience. Patrons have the option to enjoy brunch, lunch, dinner, or even dessert, making it a versatile choice for various meal times. Though detailed listings on popular restaurant directories are scarce, this establishment maintains a minimal profile on Google. Features include quick bites and small plates, alongside essential amenities like restrooms. Its atmosphere is described as casual, suggesting an informal setting comfortable for solo dining or small groups. Despite being open daily between 7:30 a.m. and 9 p.m., detailed information from the restaurant's current management appears lacking. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Great Mann is a Chinese-Filipino restaurant known for yangqiao fried rice, laurelsets, dim sum, and stir-fried classics. The portions come family-sized and shareable. Sit down for Chinese comfort food before a flight. The yangqiao comes in servings big enough to split, and congee and noodle soup cover lighter appetites. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Please do watch our other airport series. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.